Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency, and also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back, where you have spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more right there with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. Then the seats do lift up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks with three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy with your trip 1 and 2, eco behavior, auto start stop status, and driver assistance features. And then moving down, you have your truck info with your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, seatbelt, and driver assistance again. Then you have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost, your favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, hazards, and your traction control shut off, as well as having a premium B&O sound system so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as your drive mode selector here for normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, where you have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Then you have this compartment down here with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears and can also be collapsed, so you have more open space here with two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest, which does have a removable tray, a ton of room inside, and another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. Then looking back, you do have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.